Hi guys, and welcome back to our Basic Bisaya channel. My name's Gary.
My name is Reancy.
And in today's video, we're going to teach you 17 things around the house. So let's jump in right now and get started. And our first one for you is bed.
Katre.
Bed is katre. Our next word is blanket.
Habul.
The word for blanket is habul.
Don't confuse habul with habul, which means blunt. They spell the same but has different pronunciation. Habul, blanket. Habul, blunt.
Moving on from there, we have the word for calendar.
Calendario.
Nice and easy to remember, calendar is calendario. Our next word we're going to teach you is clock.
Reloj.
Word for clock is reloj. We're rolling R. Our next word, table.
La mesa.
Table is la mesa. And then what goes with a table, we need the word for chair.
Lingkuranan. Silya. Banco.
So there are multiple words you can use for chair. Lingkuranan, silya, banco. Next word we're going to teach you is closet.
Aparador.
Closet is aparador. Next we have curtain.
Cortina.
The word for curtain is cortina. How about the word for flower vase? How do we say that?
Florera.
Flower vase is florera. Our next word we're going to teach you is mat.
Banig.
The word for mat is banig. Moving on, we have mirror.
Salamin. Salamin, or just simply say samin for short.
So there's two words for mirror, salamin, or alternatively you can use samin. Next we have mosquito net.
We say mosquitero.
Mosquito net, mosquitero. How about the word for pillow? How do we say that one in Bisaya?
Unlan.
Pillow is unlan. And then what goes with the pillow? The pillowcase. How do we say that one?
Punda.
Pillowcase, hunda. What's the word for radio?
Radio.
Nice and easy one to remember. Radio, radio. Next we have television or TV.
TB.
Television or TV, TB. Again, very similar. And the last one is the word for broom.
Silhig.
Broom is silhig.
So that wraps up 17 things in the house. I hope you learned something today.
If you like our videos, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps out our channel. And as always, guys, have a great day.
See you in the next video.